seems to be very proud of what he did. Meanwhile, the Lokpal bill continues to be jinxed. The bill failed to get the Parliament's nod yet again when the Rajya Sabha was adjourned, sign or die, amid high drama last night. A furious opposition accused the government of running away from a vote because it was a minority. Chairman Hamid Ansari's decision came shortly after Parliamentary Affairs Minister Pawan Bansal said that the government needed time to consider the large number of amendments moved. Ironically, UPA's key ally, the Trinamool Congress, moved the maximum number of amendments to 37. The bill appeared jinxed throughout the day when it seemed that the government would not be able to muster a simple majority required for its passage. The government now says that the bill will be brought again in the budget session.
बिल अभी लाइव है, रजिस्टर उस पे राज्यसभा के रजिस्टर पे है। जो संशोधन इन्होंने पेश किए हैं, नोटिस दिए हैं, वो लाइव हैं। उन पे अगले सेशन पे चर्चा होगी और फैसला फिर हो पाएगा। इतनी देर में इनसे हम बात करना चाहेंगे कि कौन-कौन सा संशोधन कैसे लाया जा सकता है।
There was also high drama in the House of Elders. RJD member Rajniti Prasad rushed to the well of the House to interrupt the Minister of State and the PMO, Narayanasamy, during the government's reply. Prasad snatched a copy of the bill and tore it apart. The BJP maintained its stand that the proceedings were choreographed to avoid the voting on the bill.
This was a choreographed action since yesterday. Their speakers were filibustering. They put up a minister to give a reply. His reply could not be understood by any member of the House. But he had also decided to go on till the cows come home. And the target was to reach the midnight and say the House was only till the 29th. लेकिन सदन अपनी प्रक्रिया, अपनी व्यवस्थाएं खुद तय करता है। एक सहायक दल आरजेडी के माध्यम से उन्होंने डिस्टर्बेंस कराने की कोशिश की, लेकिन आरजेडी की राज्यसभा में संख्या बहुत कम है, इसलिए डिस्टर्बेंस नहीं करवा पाए और फिर इसको विलंब करते रहे और किसी प्रकार से इस पे वोट ना हो। बहुमत
Pushed against the wall, the government tried hard to shrug off the opposition's accusations, insisting there was no question of running away.